So I just wanted to come back and show you this. I'm so sorry. So I just wanted to come and show y'all this piece that I got from Zara online. It's the first time I shopped online at their store. I meant to do this a long time ago, but when it was supposed to arrive, that's when the Texas storms hit. And of course it was delayed, and when it got here I was not even thinking about it. I'm not gonna do like a try on haul or anything like that. I'm just gonna show it, see how it fits on me, and that'll be that. But I meant to do this a long time ago, like I said. So let's see how it looks. If you will, please don't mind the lashes. I'm about to tear them off. So this is it. So sorry if this video is dark. I am in my closet. I don't have my lights hooked up yet. I don't feel like hooking them up. Hopefully I can open these. Yeah, it's easy. Oh. Saw this girl on Instagram with this vest, and she put the outfit together really cute. But really cute like. So, ooh, I really hope it fits me because I am long. Not all that, you know, so but I didn't want to get a small because, you know, I'm not trying to be flooding in a vest. So it's vegan leather. And it's label. And it's got this little paper with red little print on it. And like this. I had to do that. It comes like this. Ooh. No, oh my god, it feels soft but cushiony. Oh, it feels like a pillow. Oh, it feels so good. It is a size medium. It was $49.90. I usually am really frugal, but I really wanted this. I went in the store and tried it on. I tried on a small. It was too small, so I'm glad I got a medium. So I'm just gonna put it on, see how it feels. Gonna put the buttons at the top all the way down. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and a zipper. See, now I got lip gloss on my stuff. Damn it. Anyway. Put it on. Do this. I know it's, like I said, dark in here. But hopefully I can start filming videos in a more lit area. I probably should have turned my... I probably should have did that, but oh, it feels good. Let me see. Yes. What do y'all think? I like it. What do y'all think? Y'all like it? Looks like this. This is really cute. I don't want to stand up all the way because, you know, I got other stuff going on in here, but I like it. So I'm about to just hang it up. I think it's cute. It's getting back hot here, so I didn't really get to wear this, but maybe on rainy days. This feels so good. and it's long too. So if you're thinking about getting this and you're tall, and you don't want it to be too small or too big, I'd say get a medium. You can get a large to be on the safe side, but it's going to be a little more, you know. But this thing, yeah, it's definitely cute and will keep you warm.